Hello, my name is Curtis and welcome to my garage. In this episode, I am going to show you how to build heirloom quality ornaments using a plunge router and these templates right here. For this demonstration, I'm going to build two sets of ornaments. One set of ornaments is going to use coco bolo and I'm going to inlay it into the yellow heartwood here. For the second set of ornaments, I'm going to use epoxy and glitter, and I'm going to make the ornaments out of this and fill this particular piece of wood with various colors of glitter and epoxy. The first step in building the Christmas ornaments is figuring out where you're going to cut them from. And the way you do that is to take your template and place it on the base material like so, make sure you're using pattern 2, and then trace out the entire shape, and then put little notches where the alignment marks will go. Okay, now that I have the general outline made, I'm going to just take my edge of my template and I'm going to extend these alignment marks just a little bit further. Now the outline doesn't matter. What matters is the alignment marks, because the alignment marks is how we position everything. Okay, now that the alignment mark is made for the stocking, I'm just going to repeat this process for every other template. And there you have it. My two sets of Christmas ornaments have been laid out. Now it's time to start cutting the voids.